When considering water filtration, the Sensiblopt PurePour PWF-1 Filter 3-pack is a fantastic choice. This filter promises cleaner water. It fits perfectly, just like a key in a lock. We appreciate its compatibility with many refrigerators. For instance, it works with EPPWFU01 PureAdvantage, PWF-1 PurePour, and FPPWFU01 models. Therefore, you probably won't need an adapter. Furthermore, the installation is a breeze. It truly is a simple twist-and-go process. Moreover, the packaging might look different. However, the filters inside are always the same high quality. We found this consistent quality very reassuring. The Sensiblopt PurePour PWF-1 Filter 3-pack significantly improves water taste. It tackles common impurities. Thus, your tap water can taste like spring water. We noticed a reduction in chlorine taste. Also, our ice cubes seemed clearer. Consequently, beverages tasted much better. This 3-pack offers great value. You get multiple filters for continued purity. For example, you can replace them regularly. Indeed, fresh filters ensure peak performance. Ultimately, clean water is essential for health. Therefore, investing in these filters is a wise decision. Overall, the Sensiblopt PurePour PWF-1 Filter 3-pack is a reliable product. It acts like a guardian for your water. Furthermore, it delivers on its promises. The water quality is noticeably better. Additionally, the filter life is quite good. We didn't experience any leaks or issues. In conclusion, if you need a dependable water filter, this is it. It's an excellent choice for any home. Finally, we highly recommend this filter pack. Pros: fits perfectly for PWF2 cheaper replacement. Water tastes great, great price, works just as the name brand. LG filter, no leaks, work like a charm. Perfect cheaper option, easy to install, very good buy for the money. Cons: not compatible with Frigidaire, did not keep the box, can't send it back now, very tight. Squeeze in, water tasted terrible for a few days. Features: brand, Sensiblopt, filter type, water, model, FPPWFU01 compatibility, EPPWFU01 compatibility, PWF-1 PurePour compatibility, PureAdvantage quantity. 3-pack, packaging may vary. Replacement filter, easy to install. This is a 3-pack of Sensiblopt brand water filters. Model FPPWFU01. Designed to replace EPPWFU01, PWF-1 PurePour, and PureAdvantage filters. They are easy to install. And while the packaging might look different sometimes, the filters themselves are the same. This 3-pack of Sensiblopt FPPWFU01 water filters is a more affordable alternative to the LG PureAdvantage PWF-1. Users found it easy to install, noted no leaks, and reported that the water tasted great after a few days. Similar to the name brand filter. While it's a tight fit for some, it works well and is a good value for the price. However, it is not compatible with Frigidaire refrigerators. Some users experienced bad tasting water for a few days after installation.